your seatbelt fastened, strap the push fast, and pull down. The yellow duck shows over your nose and mouth like so.
Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, my name is Bianca. This is my mom. We call her Cindy. That because that's her name. Actually, I don't know if you guys know this, but Cindy isn't even her real name. Her real name is Cynthia. Fun fact of the day. Well, we are in Cabo San Lucas. Been traveling all day, got 4 hours of sleep. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably the most hangry I've ever been in my entire life of like living 22 years. But we'll solve it later. But if you are new here, you should subscribe and stick around because we have a ton of fun content coming. And once I get home from Cabo, Colin and I have a very large announcement to announce. So, don't we? Currently got a rental car, which, all right, we're gonna go ahead and start throwing out that advice. If you guys want to come to Cabo, do not rent your car and get a reservation ahead of time.
And learn.
You live and you learn what you gotta do because you're gonna end up paying so much more. What you have to do is you have to negotiate with the rental car people at the airport for a deal, and they will give you a deal. So, for example, we were gonna end up paying how much a day?
110.
110 because our insurance does not cover Mexico.
And nobody's, like any US auto insurance does not cover Mexico because they have different laws here.
So you have to go through the rental car company's insurance. So it was us, and then it was these two guys next to us renting a rental car. Sorry, my camera is not on the stabilizer just for travel purposes, so I'm holding it. I'll put it on the stabilizer once I get to the hotel.
So they were gonna charge us $45 for the car per day, and I was like, oh, that's a pretty good deal. But then the insurance is $65 a day plus taxes.
So then the people next to us negotiated a deal to pay $45 for everything, insurance, taxes, all of it. $45
at the airport.
At the airport.
So I walked outside and I said, hey.
Yeah, she freaking was like, tell me what you're paying, because she was like, what?
They're from the US, so yeah. I knew they spoke English, and
they were like nice men.
They were nice men, yeah.
So that's tip number one. Already learned a life lesson. Going well, but we've got the car, so we're headed to our hotel, and then we will pull ourselves together. I'm going to show you guys what is in my carry-on bag because I got a lot of requests to show you guys what I packed on my little carry-on, and then we're going to do a room tour. It's going to be good.
It's literally, we're like driving through the desert right now.
Yeah,
for like 45 minutes.
Cabo's a desert island. There's a ton of cacti and a ton of dirt. So if you're like me, I know, I love it. If you're like me and you love desert islands, Aruba and Cabo San Lucas so far, desert islands, look at me go. I didn't even know for either of those. Just made it into the room. I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. By the way, my airport outfit, this shirt is from Nasty Gal. It says seize the day, but the F word, seize the effing day. Didn't realize it said that until I bought it. And then just my Levi jeans that I bought from Nordstrom Rack and Cut, and sandals. Posted a pic on my Instagram, you would have seen it. here. We actually got the like room of the house, which is their basic room. And this is insane. They have really expensive suites. By the way, we're staying at the Bahia Boutique Hotel, something like that, and spa. It is not in a resort. It is not all inclusive, but it's adorable. And I 10 out of 10 so far recommend. Their like hospitality service is A1. 100% would come back and would stay here. So far, we've only been here for like 30 minutes, but I'm just blown away already. They gave us drinks. I chugged mine because I'm honestly so hungry and I just wanted something, but it was like a little spritzer or something. I don't know, it was good. All right, everything in my carry-on is laid out. So, brought my laptop, that's on the bottom. I have a little mini hairbrush. It's a wet brush for my extensions. Tissues, vitamins that I already took the vitamins. This is just a PM pack, but I already ate some of this, so I'm just showing you guys. I had a bar, I ate it. It's just a protein bar from Isagenix. I also had a shake, which I blended in my shaker cup. Brought this shaker cup in like my suitcase, and when we got off the plane, I made it. I brought my Beats, portable charger with my cord, sunglasses for when we got off the plane. This is my all-time favorite gum in the entire world of gum, but I cannot find it anywhere, and I'm almost out, so dilemma. I brought my glasses, but they're just in Sarah's Days glasses case because it's nice and sturdy. Had my passport. I also had my wallet with my ID and stuff. That's over there, but it's okay. And this is called Lano Lips. This is what my Madison, who does my hair, she recommended this for me to try for my chapped lips, and I actually really like it so far. I got it on Amazon. It is the 101 ointment in the strawberry flavor, so recommend if you have chapped lips like me. And here has my memory cards and things for my computer for when I was editing on the plane. So yeah, also a phone fan. In case you get hot, you just plug it into the bottom, and there it goes. And then last but not least, I have some lotion. This came in my FabFitFun box. So yeah, and again, my bag is from Target. I was on my Instagram story, and my post, but in case you missed it. We just did like a quick fix and changed for dinner. This place is amazing and I really want to take a picture. So my bralette is from Free People. Can't remember. Can you see, what does this say?
Oh, it's from, I think it's Free People.
Okay, Free People. And bought it recently, so it might still be on the website. And also, this skirt is from Free People too. We don't have a full body mirror. Also, we're gonna like unpack and stuff, but it's like a midi skirt. It's really cute. And then I'm just wearing the same sandal that I had on earlier. Having a problem talking. Also, this is gonna be my purse for the trip. It is from Princess Polly. It's so stinking cute on the website. Go look for it.
Never thought that we'd go this far. Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home?
Just gave my mom like a slight how to pose for Instagram, what would we call that, practice. We're gonna have to work on that another night. So we gotta get it perfect.
Do this every day, like.
Yeah, so we taught her how to burst. We taught her how you just gotta like move quickly and you get a good shot. You just gotta go from the left and then you gotta go from the right, but make sure you're sucking in until the point where you can't breathe, and then you're good to go. Just kidding, don't do that. Bad advice from Bianca. Yeah, oh yeah, another thing. To like pop the elbow out, she had it like way back here. It looked like she was gonna like break, looks like she was gonna break a shoulder boulder. You just gotta like pop that forward. It's a game changer, okay? We on the top floor.
Be staying here at a boutique hotel.
Well, it's not that expensive. That's the thing.
It's really affordable, and it's
so freaking beautiful. I'm coming back. Ordered our first mojitos of the vacation. By the way, no one's eating here, so that's why.
Oh, that's fine.
We're like totally vlogging.
Yeah. We're like, where's everybody now? But it looks like an amazing restaurant, and the mojitos look so awesome. So cheers. Girls trip.
Oh.
And you said just one.
I know.
Here we go. Yay, fun.
Currently bread tasting for free, complimentary with the restaurant. Well, okay, we didn't need this, but we want it.
But it's homemade, like, and so we had to try
So
it.
it's organic, so it's healthy.
Yeah, it's warm. Like, that's a killer for us. I don't know about you guys, but you bring warm bread, we're done.
Up, we got some ceviche. It's so bright. I don't know how this is working out for me. There we go, that's better. Salads, steak. We're sharing though. Cabo has a purse hanger at this restaurant.
So cool.
Like, how creative, thank you. She only put in one earring.
I was like distracted. You asked me a question, I put in one, forgot the other.
Never thought that we'd go this far. Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? So that I'm counting days until the second glow. It's gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn the shit around, just out of doubt the youngs. It's all you need to do.
Pro tip is to stack all your hats in your suitcase and then file stuff in around them. But they don't get hurt. Look, this was literally in my suitcase upside down. Wait, what? Yeah, you put them in upside down in your suitcase, stack them all up, and then put things in and underneath. So you guys just saw, we just took a hot minute to organize. We took some time just to put away all of our clothes, get organized. I still have some stuff left on the bed that I need to organize. This place is actually pretty nice because these cubbies do come in handy, but we just kind of like divided all these cubbies. It goes all the way down, can put more stuff in there, and then we'll have to share this bed. My I ate and trained like Sarah's Day video is currently trying to upload. All of our shoes are down along here, which is where this little couch situation's happening. Hats up here. All of these are lack of colors. That one's lack of color, except for this hat. I don't know what that is. Oh, there's a hat underneath that. I didn't even realize that. Also, we have all of our pre-workout and stuff. It's a little dark. I might have to show you another day, but it's like all in there, so. And there's an oven, which is crazy. Oh goodness, I just noticed there's so much more storage over here. You could put a suitcase in there, honestly. I'm going to shower though because I feel gross from traveling all day. And so the hotel that we're staying at, the Bahia, also has a gym that is just subpar.
Less than adequate.
So we found a place 7 minutes away. I'll have to tell you what it is in the next vlog. And you'll see it in the next vlog. I totally forgot the name, but it's like a full gym. We're just gonna pay for a week and a couple day passes. So yeah, that's the game plan for tomorrow. We still need to like kind of game plan and talk about what we're gonna do, what time we're gonna wake up, go to the gym, figure out all that stuff. I'm going to shower. I'm gonna end the vlog because we got a ton of vlogs coming up. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you keep up with me, keep the content flowing in, get notified every time I post a new video. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram because I'm very active on my stories and my posts over there. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Bye.